Good morning. Awesome. Everybody, welcome back. Welcome back to the RLT community. Welcome back. Awesome. Good. Good morning, Marcia. God bless you. Woo. Duke, good morning. Dr. Hanson. Christina, thank you. Welcome aboard. Thanks for joining us here this morning. We got some live action here, showing the AI Auto Trader here. These bots are jumping in and out of the market already, big time. We're in big time here. Got them loaded up. You guys got them all loaded up out there? Okay, cool. Here we go. I got some big time lag time here on my machine. We're cranking though. We're cranking on the live account too today. Woo! Come on. Good push to the upside. Looking at the NQ here. You guys dialed in? Dr. Hanson, you doing any trading yet this morning? Here we go. Take a look at the leaderboard, see what's been happening this morning so far. Maybe chase down one of these strategies like the Steven drone here. Look at this Steven. Woo. Steven had a heck of a good trade. Had it on my live account this morning too. Took the same trade. Looking like a good CL trade going on right now. See if my machine can get this lag time under control. All right, Rue, good morning. Rue's locked and loaded this morning. You got the retirement plan, ODP, and the CL default settings, but not any trades. Yeah, you're missing something for sure. Yeah. These are the trades that I've had so far, Rue. I've started my machine about 8:30, so about an hour ago. You should have these. Steven should have taken a nice trade for you, and these two black gold. These ones are new. So you probably don't have these ones yet, but you do have Steven and those two. So you should have had trades there, and then right now we got all these positions open, so you should have, quite a few trades right now under your belt. So we're getting our lag time here under control a little bit, hopefully. We've got it coming down to 4s. We won't really enter many trades if it's above 2 here. So here we go. Now okay, good. So we got below our threshold there. We took a trade. I've got this NQ20U Signal D Sniper loaded up here. We'll see how we're doing. We're down upside down here real quick. So let's see. Go catch this trade. Show you one of the eval accounts and where it took the trade at with the strategy. Q20U. You guys will be getting Signal D. We're shooting for Friday. Hoping to have it out by Friday. Didn't even think about it, but it would have been fun to have it for a Christmas present. Didn't think of it till just now. Alright, so we're using this Signal D sniper, and we're getting smoked right now. Oh no, we're going south. Oh, Steven's upside down here. Let me get this strategy figured out. Here we go. Alright, so we're in on the sniper. I got the 20U sniper here. Running down the leaderboard, $100, $200 bill now. And we're rolling. I'm long the kitchen sink on my live account here. Okay, good news. Woo. Woohoo! We long kitchen sink, color account. Woo! Come on, push up, baby. You got a little sliver out of that one. Come on, kitchen sink, we're going long. Pretty high leverage today. Woo! Man, nice move to the upside for the home team. Needed that one. Take a contract off on that big dog move. Woo! What a relief. Oh, baby, you gotta feel the heat. You gotta feel the heat when you're in the oven. Ow! Shit. Bring that one down real quick. This one's worth looking at. Just starting. Just getting started this morning. I was over leveraged for a second there in this account. This one got a little steamy. Brokerage live account here. Move this. Brokerage live account in a trade here. Running the Steven drone, ES Star, 20 Unarenko, 5K. We got a new software we're coming out with after the first of the year. That one I'm in 2 contracts. Got a little nugget so far, 847 in a trade, $200 bill. Coming back on me. I'm in on the Star, upside down a couple hundred. Hopefully that ship settles down. Alright, nice push to the upside here. Big move for the account. Holding 2 contracts. 2 on the NQ, 1 on the ES. Coming back on me. Might stop me out. Took 1 out. Okay, and we're in on our PA or our Apex accounts. Going short. I'm out up there on the NQ. I'm just holding the ES now on the live account. All right, Rube. Trend. I don't even use the trend. If you're talking about, we actually have a trend signal inside the strategy. I don't even use the trend one. I know people have told me how good that is. I don't use it. The number has to be super tight. From what Rory was showing me. I'll show you if this is what you're talking about, Rube. Holy moly, we running up some numbers today. Woo! Got a $2,000 already. Shit, this thing's moving beautifully. Okay, cycling through them here. See what's happening so far. Get a lay of the land. We got some strategies crushing it already here this morning. Got the velocity filter in full effect. It just every one of them just came to life not long ago. Hold me yes on the long on the live account there. Okay, and we popped in trying to go short here. One more shorty. Signal D, going short, locked in profits right there. Signal D, little nug, little street nug. Oh, got some street nugs. Oh no, what's this? Woo, we got some action. Shit, look at this. Oh man, sheesh. Whew. Talk about a bucket full of orders right there, folks. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow. Look at the flights on those old hangers. Whew. Talk about a truckload of volume right there. I think we're upside down on this one. They're holding some heat right here. Holy moly. Look at all the buyers. Dang. Alright, good, thanks Charles. Let me check it out. Appreciate that. It sounds like my mic's too far away. I think I've got this setting still upside down here. Let me switch this mic. Yep. Shit. Dang thing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's hope this is working. Come on. And we're upside down right now. We got a $400 trade upside down. Uh-oh. We got to move on this one. Well, we're upside down here. Big time. Little bit of resistance here that we got to get through. All right, Roo. Way to go. 1,500 big ones. Geez, that sucks. My audio is really terrible. Sorry about that. I think I'm gonna try to unplug my come on. Here we go. We're coming back. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. No good. Huh. One, two, three, four. Nothing. Shit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try this one. Maybe this one works. Yeah, I don't see my mic up here in the settings, so sorry about that. I know it really sucks when you go to the commercial. Man, that thing cranks. It's really a real bummer. Okay, so we're trying to protect ourselves from the downside here. This little support line. See if we can hold here at 950. Man, this market ain't got no slowing down in it. Sorry about that, Ice Shark, man. I really, really disappointed in my audio. I switched computers the other day to do a video. Man, it's really set me backwards. Okay, we got the live account rolling today. Not doing so good here with these prop accounts, but I'm rolling on the other one. Rolling on the mothership here. try plugging that this damn thing in one more time. Fucking thing! Oh, shit. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's see, any better there? Audio coming any better, guys? If maybe drop it in the chat there. Sorry about that. We'll try to get this thing squared away. In my morning meeting, no problem. So kind of catching me off guard here. White noise. Sorry. Yeah, must be a damn military issue. And you know, I worked in communications too. That's the problem, huh? I did. I was like a communication specialist, electronics. So this is right in my wheelhouse, as they say. Looking for my mono. Come on, I don't see no mono speaker or mic. It's not coming up. Okay, they came in and touched us off here. All right, come on. Oh, you did too. How about that? 31 uniform. Alright, let's go. I gotta do some trading here. Sorry about that. I'll get my auto squared away. I'll have Charles help me out, figure out what, I think I have to reset the computer when it's plugged in or something. I actually reset it this weekend, so kind of surprised. Didn't connect, but damn thing. Alright, I gotta get a trade under my belt here. One that's in our direction. See what the leaderboard's doing here. Getting a little skinny. That's beauty. Oh, Steven drone. Run that one. I'm running around my live account. That's a good strategy right here. NQ8U Steven. Oh, daily record. Daily record holder. No idea what that one's doing. 18 Echo in the house. Way to go. Some good times, huh? All right, let's go. Let's get a Stephen drone. Took a couple of hits here. All right, we've got the ES star coming back into range for us. Here we go. We're going north. All the cards are on the table. Going north. Here we go. Jumped in with this one. And we just switched by some... Darn it. I just switched the strategy, but this one jumped in now. Old Stephen drone's in his trade right now. Oh, look at that beauty. Run this one on all the rest of the accounts once it gets out of this trade here. Oh man, what a day, what a day. Woo! Running up the score again on the live account. Woo, look at that trade we're in. $1,400 trade right now. Got one holding on the ES. 2 contracts on the NQ. Oh man, NQ, I've got a $1,300 trade in on the table right now. Woo-wee, come on baby. Let's go. ODP, ODP. All right, Ice Shark, we got this, brother. I bought all this stuff, man. I didn't do any of it. I just bought it. Those guys, Mark Sachs and the team, pulled it all together. We're just doing patchwork with what we got. Oh, nice slice. Here we go. Come on, baby. Hit the trigger one time for me. Going up to my other computer. We'll take one off the table. Boom, baby. Ow! All right. What a day. Another beauty. Whew. Man, come on. Let's go. All right, let me get my head straight here. Let's figure out what we're doing on this screen. Got to start doing a little better trading here on this one. Accidentally slipped up and switched strategy there. That other one took a nice trade. Waiting for Steven here. Oh, Steven. Going to run up the score. I'm going to go ahead and take her out and try to get in the next trade here. And we'll put on the big dogs. It's time for the big dogs to eat. I'll let 31 slide for a little while. It's in payday range. So we're waiting for Steven to reset here. So Steven drone here runs on the NQ8U, 8U Naranko chart, and this one we trigger off our signal C, which is the which is not this Laguerre. It'll be this indicator here. Just so you know, if you have our software, you don't need any of the charts to make any of the strategies work. They all work behind the scenes doing exactly what they're supposed to without any charts whatsoever. which is actually almost mind-blowing. It blows my mind anyway. They don't need charts. Okay, signal C, we got to go add the signal C here. It is. So depends on which indicator I want to look at. I make one visible or the other. So signal C or the modified Laguerre, but we want to see the signal C indicator here. So this is the oscillator down here that we use for our trigger on this particular strategy. Kind of look right here where signal C went for a long trade right here. Kind of watch this little yellow line where it passes the blue line. That's where it takes the trade. Kind of like a light switch. Depends on which way it's going. You can see right now it's going to look for a short trade coming up here. We have some other filters in the background trying to prevent it from getting us in too much trouble. Little flutter in the market here. We're going to hit 22,000 points today. Woo! How about that? 22K. Bam! Ruse slaying the dragon. Way to go, Rue. That's what I'm talking about, Rue. He's in the saddle. He's tuned in. Okay, and we jumped in. We're going long. We got old Steven out here. Old Steven has set some records for us. Old Steven's been known to get a little wild here, right line trading. Really exciting strategy. Works on RSI, relative strength index. Right here, folks. Here it is. A little flicker. Trying to go to the upside one more time. Don't look like it has enough energy in it right now. Blow off a little steam here. May take us out on this one. Oh boy, I got the kitchen sink going long again. Sheesh. Sheesh. Going heavy long. Heavy to the long side. Damn. Everything going long. They got us hook, line, and sinker. I'm in hook, line, and sinker, folks. Let's take a look at the entry there between a SIM account. SIM account entered at 21,984.75. PA account entered at 21,985.75. So it looks like about a 4-tick difference there. What's 4 ticks between friends, folks? That's a $20 bill every day, all day long. Give me a $20 bill, no problem. Shit. Just glad I get to play. Price of admission, folks. Ouch. $20 bill. Uh-oh, got the bearish candle. That's no good. It's no good for the home team here. We got the kitchen sink going long. Ooh. High leverage here. underwater, $700. Up 2,200 today so far though. Got a lot of leverage on this trade, live account. Holding 3 contracts on the NQ, 1 on the ES. We got the kitchen sink going long. Here we go, folks. Come on, baby. Guys, keep an eye on this. I'll take a quick break. Okay, here we go. We got the kitchen sink going long here. 21,970 on the ticker. 21,970. Come on, 70. Hold up. Hold up, 70. There's a little flicker. There's a little life in her. Man, if it gets through 70, we're in trouble. We in trouble. Whew. Looks like it's going to chop through 70 here. Yeah, those other folders are for different software that we have. So what you're seeing is different software packages that we have. So like I mentioned, I was trading one other strategy from another piece of software that we sell. That's probably what you're looking at, is my guess. Okay, we're upside down. We're upside down by about $250, $300 every now and then. Can't seem to get on the right side of this trade. Oh, right on that support resistance line there. This Steven drone, I don't use that support or resistance to enter trades. Just let it use the oscillator. Let the oscillator do the talking. I'm taking some heat here though. Gets through 70, we in trouble. Rarely does it go below 70 and not hit 50. Rarely. Yep, we officially got in trouble. Came and got us on that one. Alright, the market's releasing a little bit of that energy there. It was jacked up for sure. See if old Steven can get us one good trade here. I'll go ahead and run this strategy that's running in first place today. This is the NQ8U Signal A. This is a version of the runner. So as soon as this strategy right here jumps in, we'll jump in with our accounts over here. Lead dog strategy so far today. It's a Signal A entry, NQ8U Signal A runner. First trade this one took was at looks like about 930, 925, somewhere in that range. Like it hit a first target, exit on line change, second contract. This one's a 2-contract strategy. Second entry was right there. Got another first target, another exit on line change. This one looks like a stop loss. Another stop. Exit on line change. So it's had a few good trades and then a few stop outs, but it's at $2,200 for today. And we'll try to take it if it can jump in for us again. This one's Signal A entry. we don't use that indicator that I've got showing at the bottom. We're going to switch it up to the LIQUIDITY oscillator, modified LIQUIDITY. So if we can catch this guy coming out, this yellow line popping out of the red, we're going to take a long trade maybe. Gotta have the 50 in agreement though on this one. So might not make it on the first push. Okay, should have let Steven do its thing there. It's rolling up a good trade on my live account there. Steven. Oh, Steven drone. Steven. And my ES star flipped around. Oh, Steven, good trade there. Kind of missed that one. Oh, yeah. Here we go, Steven drone. Okay, so took a little nugget out of the market on that one. Q8U, signal A. Let's not trade this one. Scalper. Oh, okay, yeah, that 50. Okay, we call that one the 50 root. This is this trend indicator. Okay, yeah, that solid one. We call that the 50. Yep, that's you're right. Trend indicator. Yep, that's the 50 moving average. All Right, we hit the NQ 2-minute ODP, Rue. I thought you had that one dialed up. Hold up. Did you have the 2-minute dialed up? I don't think your machine's all set up right yet. You said you weren't getting trades, unfortunately. Looks like we hit the 2-minute ODP here. NQ 2-minute ODP. Oh, caught a nice one. A long trade. $3,000 trade there quickly. Boom, shakalaka. That's one of our strategies that we were inspired by Rue out here in our community. He said it's way easier scaling up instead of all the battle that you go through trying to pass these evals. Just scale up. So we scaled up on some of our special strategies. Got one for, I think we have 6 of them, 6 or 7 one-day passes, kind of go out throughout the indexes. Got the Steven drone dialed up here. Hopefully we can jump in a trade. Market pushed back up to almost the 22,000 range again. Hasn't quite hit 22,000, but boy, has it got close. Keep our eye on old Steven drone here. Where's old Steven? Old Steven drone sitting at 1,400. We got big institutional move here. Anytime we get above the 990s, for sure. Huge moves. Retail traders can't push us in that direction. Not that much. Whew. Good think we're long. Woo! That was a burst of energy. Holy moly. Get in a trade here. All right, Eleanor, have a good day. Let's go. Come on. Anybody make any money? Rue? Marcia? Come on, Marcia. How's your day been going? Okay, yeah, the rollover. Let's talk about that for a split second. So, probably everybody's computer came up with, do you want to roll over your contracts this morning? We looked at volume. Volume's still a little heavier on the December contract here, so that's what we're sticking with for now. We'll keep looking at it every morning and try to figure out which one has a higher volume, and then migrate towards it. So for now, it's this one, but maybe tomorrow it'll change. Way to go, Rue. 37.50. Nice move. Wow. Okay, we hit that 22,000 mark. Wow, how about that? We going to the moon. Let's go for a ride. Old retirement plan starting to run up the scoreboard here. Old Steven. 2-minute ODP. Old Mack truck's coming on board. Old 20U Signal C Mack truck drone. And I got a $800 trade on the live account. Come on. Going long. Gotta get in the trenches, my man. Rue is gonna write a book. All right, I'm long. Wow, baby, come on. Got a $1,000 trade. Go ahead and take a little bit off that one. All right. Sweet. Holding 1400 on the live account. We're out. One second, huh? This is really frustrating. I'm gonna get this computer squared away hopefully right after this and do a trial run. Man, I had it figured out for a while there, didn't I? Shoot. Man, went ahead and switched something up like a bonehead. That's what happens. Don't mess with what's working. Should have bought another mic from my other computer instead of trying to switch it. Should know better. Oh man, this thing's going to the moon. Wow. How about this? Ian, are you really serious? Audio's fine for you. That's mind-blowing. A little hiccup here at 22,020. Audio good for Rue? Okay, thank you guys. Appreciate that. Sorry for everybody who it sucks for. That's something I gotta figure out here. Alright, we got the bots on the move, guys. Shit, what a great market to trade in, huh? Dang, boy. Beautiful market. Man. Perfect for strategies. We got the oscillator coming back to neutral here. Coming back to balance. Right down here when this number 66, whatever it's flickering at right now, if it hits 50, that means we got a balance there with the relative strength index, RSI. Didn't stay long right there at the last move. It touched it and flinched. We need to get below and then pop back out to jump back in here. Looking for a little release down here. Get below 2200, be a nice move. Here we go, we're going long. So this oscillator dropped below the 50. We have the 50 in alignment, so we had to make sure that we had the 50 in alignment. This, like Rue was talking about earlier, this trend indicator. We call the solid line the 50. It's a 50 moving average. And it's whatever the trend is. And again, it's 50 samples. So it's a slower trend line. We call it a slow line. And then we've got this other line right here. It's our 15 EMA. And that one's obviously a lot quicker, a lot more assertive. Only does 15 samplings. I'm in on this trade on my live account too. My live account entered at $22.13.25. Sim entered at 2013 even, 22.13. And the PA entered at 22.13.25. So my PA and my live account entered at the same place. And Sim entered one tick sooner. Haha, Duke, that's really awesome, man. Appreciate you, Duke. That's really awesome. We have fun, man. We try to make money and have fun. That's the goal every day. Make money and have fun. In that order. Like, get serious. Money's important, super important. But also don't let it ruin your day either. This is supposed to be fun and exciting. And we're going long. Price is telling us a different story here, though. Market's telling us a different story here. Uh-oh, Raggy. We in trouble. Let's see if we can get someone to hold on here. Hey, Cliff, welcome aboard. Cliff, if anything else, you just look at it and watch it take trades, and eventually you'll be like, oh, that's the spot to enter. You know what I mean? It's like a coach. In my opinion, it's the ultimate coach, right? It doesn't trip up. It doesn't change its opinion. It is just, fully technical. This is all technical analysis that goes on here. There's no other stuff. So yeah, that's kind of my take on it. I've been trading for I've only been trading futures for almost 2 years now. So I say I'm still cutting my teeth on the futures, but I was trading high flying momentum stocks for a long time, looking for a piece of software like this. So I bought this company. We've developed this internally, but had the bones of it when I bought it, and that's what I like, momentum, man. That's where price is going, right? So that's what we're all about here, and we're using our risk to reward ratios, right? You go ask AI a question, risk to reward is super important, especially with automated trading. So you can kind of see on this trade particularly right here, you're looking at a $500 loss or $1,500 winner. 3 to 1 is kind of where we would love to be. Some of these moves can't extend that far, so we do a lot of different, trade management moves here. If you watch this strategy, if we do go to the upside, which we're not right now, but if we would make it to the upside past price, I think we got it moving up to, we take some profits at like 350. If we make 350 in the P&L on the plus side, I think we move our stop to $100 maybe. We kind of, we try to walk price is what I call it. You try to walk price, like stay right behind it, like a stalker. And you just gotta like grab it and make sure it can't pummel you too far here. But what we found out is you gotta have some room. You gotta have room for these trades to breathe, or they will choke you to death. So really have some, this one's a $500 loss if I take it. So it's a steep move. Now, if some traders are out there kind of new, want to get into an account, you can jump down to the micros here. Instead of a $500 risk, it's 50. It's 50. So puts you in a better position, to really see how the strategies do without getting crushed. But but I've been doing this for a while, so I kind of know which ones I like and how they trade. But this Stephen drone right here, it's one that's on the board there. It set the record, so it's a full strategy that's based on this indicator down here, this signal C entry. Here we go, going long. See if we can build up a little momentum here to push through 22,013 here where we purchased. Come back home, baby. Might work 22,000 one more time here. Take a look at the other markets, see what's happening. There must be some big news in NVIDIA or something. NVIDIA's down. I might get another chance to jump back in on my swing trade on NVIDIA. I thought that shit might have sailed, but heck, it might be coming back for me. I kept buying NVIDIA when it would get back to 100, and then I sold at 134. Hoping I catch it at around 100 again. Here we are. It's the instrument we're trading. 22,017. We hit an all-time high today. 22,024. New all-time high. Woo! How about that? You guys are witness to it. Way to go. That's a big deal. Don't look like the show's over yet. Still got some fireworks left. Anybody got a lighter? Had a great barbecue yesterday. That was awesome. Anybody doing a little bit of what is it? No, it's Christmas parties. Work Christmas parties. Any action? Anybody have a good weekend? And we're working 22,000 one more time. Hope we can hang in here. We're trying to hold tight. Getting a little weak in the knees here. That was a hard move. Duke, did you get a little cold snap up there? And we're down 400. They take us out at the 5 here. This one's a 100 tick stop loss, 200 tick target, 2 to 1. And we're down 450. coming to get us. Coming to get us. Ah! Holy moly. Uh-oh, ain't over yet. Ah. Yeah, unique week. I think we're only off just Wednesday. Oh, no, not this week. Getting a little ahead of getting my skis ahead of me here. Next week. Next week, okay. Whew. Solid week this week. Okay, price dialed right in here. We got the 1550, both of them lining right up. Both of them going red though, so we kind of in trouble. Good short trade setup right here. We in trouble. Boom! All right. Well, that's the way it goes sometimes. I had a great day trading. I appreciate everybody joining us today at Right Line Trading. We got David Wise jumping in the saddle here. And we decided to go along one more time. All right, Dr. Hanson, take care. We're upside down again. Somehow the old Steven drone here, Signal C, popped up one more time, thinking we had a long trade here. A little bit of momentum to the upside, but boy, it don't seem like it. It sure doesn't seem like it from this end of the deal. Seems like we are going downtown. And then a live account again on this one. This time I got filled at $21,999, right on the even, same as the PA. The sim jumped in 2 ticks sooner. right, Duke. Thanks, sir. See what the leaderboard looks like here. Like the ES star, still hanging in there. One of the best strategies we have right now, long period of time. Alright, so the bot knew more than I knew. I'm going north one more time. We going north one more time, folks. And we're going north one more time for a $200 bill real quick here. And we're not settling for anything less than a $1,000 bill in this trade, hopefully. If we can pop up here, we'll be in good shape. I think it takes a $300 or $350 bill before the stop pops up for us here. I think I've got it set at 70 ticks. 70 ticks, 75 maybe. And we're working through 22,000. And we're trying to work through 22,000 one time. Going long. Got a $100 bill. Flickers between 100, 150. Looks like it's going to settle back again. Could be a bit of a tug of war here for a little bit. Just a little bit of a tug of war. They're breaking even. And we're down 100. Pompano Beach. You're just up the road, Duke. Thought you were from North Carolina. Oh, but you're in Florida now. Is that the story? And we're down 150. Looks like this trade's going to the upside. Just working out the kinks here. It's just pulling in some liquidity down there. Any sucker who goes short there just got eaten up, I think. That's my guess. that the suckers were going short. Who knows here? We'll find out in a split second, though. I'm a sucker, and I'll go short every now and then. Got no qualms about it. Here we go, and we're going long. All right, Roo. What I'm talking about. All right, and we got a $300 bill under our belt here. Come on, folks. Let's get this thing pushed up through here. Let's not push my stop till 350. Gotta let the trade breathe just a little bit more, I guess. So you come back, work through the 2200 one more time here. And I'm pushing on my time limit. Professional David Wise going to take the reins here. Professional trader David Wise. Run the options room. Boy, he called some good trades last week, didn't he? Ooh. Made some good money. All right, and we got a $300 trade. Come on. Get right up in here. We'll pop this stop up, I'm hoping. Take the pressure off. And he switched to the CL. Way to go, Roo. And we popped up here. See if we can hold tight without giving us back. Get a little nug, but boy, we want the big enchilada. Don't want nugs, we want enchiladas. Working through 2210. Coming back. We're holding 2203 here. We got to get hold here. Eesh. All right. Okay, took him on the chin here a little bit. Appreciate everybody joining the RLT revolution. Everybody have a great day trading. Bye now.